representatives in the House that decided, instead of looking at scholarships, by the type of scholarship, they actually have a listing that's by the scholarship deadline. So it'll show you all the scholarships that have a February deadline, all the ones that have a March deadline, that kind of thing. Because sometimes scholarships by type can be all over the place as far as deadlines. It's like you're looking in April and it's like, oh dang, I just missed a bunch of them in February, March. Which trust me, scholarships for the upcoming academic year, just like you're filing FAFSA early, you're filing your admission application early, all that stuff is going on in February and March. So scholarships, the most popular time for them to have deadlines is going to be early on at the beginning of the year, because they need to be evaluated, reviewed, and then awarded, and you notify, usually all before May and June. So you think about the timeline, but anyway, scholarships can happen all year round. They all have different deadlines, but this is kind of an easier way. Somebody took a different approach on how to, make a reference for a resource for scholars.